Canada.
These had level mind blown. Peaceful. Amazing. That man go, this man go, that man go, my mother said, been like that for power, anyone come?
Five, six, seven. Now bring it back.
Vaishnavi is captain. Please go and take trophy. Runners are from Athenian Province. Sujana, Rizwana, Radhika, Nandini, Divyasri, Akshara, Hasini, Samana, Saidika, Rupa and Chandri. Volleyball winners, Athenian Province. Basket, Pawan Nayak, Swaraj, Kartik, Amit, Harish, Subhashay, Farid.
I request Jawahar sir to take the prizes to them. Sir, please.
Kartik, Amit, Harish, Subhash and Farid. Ram, Santosh, Sampat, Vijender and Akshay.
Phoenix boys
Runners of volleyball, Phoenix Genesis boys.
onto the dais, please.
Phoenix Genesis, Vaishnavi, Akila, Shweta, Bhagyashree, Himanshi, Kundeta, Bhagyashree, Himanshi, Kundana, Shanti and Supraya. Rameshri, Anuja, Rupa, Bhavika and Samana. Please, come on to the dais. Badminton girls, singles, winner is Srilekha, runner is Sahitya. Doubles, winner Sahitya and Hasini from Athenian Rowing. Runners are Divyarani and Srilekha from Arohita Nakshatras. Phoenix Genesis, runner is Ishwar and Chandulal from Theodorans. Please come on to the dais. Badminton boys. Havila from Pennycoit single. Winner is Havila and runner is Sagarika. Havila from Theodore and Sagarika from Nakshatra. Doubles. Winners are Safida and Pravalika from Theodore. Runner.
And I'm back.
Bring it, bitch. Bring it, bitch. Are we fucking here?
Running race goes Rizwana and Shweta. Rizwana from Athenian Ronin. Second prize goes to Shweta from Phoenix Genesis. Running race boys, we have Minaz Ahmad from Phoenix Genesis and Bhaskar from Athenian Ronin. Minaz Ahmad and now we will be having a dance within few minutes. Divija, do you know Korean language?
తెలుగే సక్క రాదు కొరియన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అట
You know something? People watch Korean web series also.
I know that, but what is special in that?
I too don't know. People watch so much of that.
Yeah, it's true.
ఇప్పుడు స్పెషల్ ఏంటి అంటే కొరియన్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ చూడటమే కాదు కొరియన్ డాన్స్ మీద కొరియన్ పాట మీద డాన్స్ చేయడానికి వస్తుంది స్వేచ్ఛారాజ్. లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ స్వేచ్ఛారాజ్.
Swecharaj from 4x2 class. Swecharaj from 4x2 Phoenix Genesis.
స్వేచ్ఛారాజ్.
누가 내 수저 더럽대 I don't pay 마이크 잡은 금 수저 여러 배 버럭해 잠못 익은 것들 새끼 여러 개 거듭해 씹어 죽겠다 에이 저녁에 World best man 핵심 섭외 없으니 매진 많지 않지 이 클래스 가신 많지 동향의 아침 반지 마이크 번지 black 단지 난알것 같았겠지만 I'm fine sorry 미안해 dear boy 미안해 worldwide 아들이 너무 잘 나가서 미안해 엄마 내가 네가 못한 협력 우리 콘서트 절대 없어 hold on I do it 너만 없는 라다도이 내가 아프다면 고소해 소리 You see my bag, you see my bag Feel like coffee's on something What you think about it? Better get my haters out of sight Coming, follow me, what you saying, girl I'm so fiery, you're taking Keep my money ready until I catch ya How you there, how you there, how you there Another talking, my hands coming up Too many that I can't even count
From first year, Hasini and Farheen from first year.
You're my darling, darling, baby. You're my darling, you're my darling, you're my darling, darling, baby. You're my darling, you're my darling, you're my darling, darling, baby. You're my darling, you're my darling, you're my darling, darling, baby. Yeah. కాదమ్మా, ఈ డిక్చిక్ డిక్చిక్ కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమైనా ఉందా? అబ్బా కడుపు నిండిపోయింది అందరం. బంటూ గానికి 22 బస్తిల మస్తు కట్అవుట్, బచ్చా గాన్ల బ్యాచ్ ఉండేది వచ్చినమంటే సుట్టు. ఇక్కే సాడక నైటు ఎక్కి తొక్కు బుల్లెట్, సందు సందుల మందు కోసం ఎతుకుతాంటే రూటు. చీరగట్టుకోని చెడు వీరు మెరిసినట్టు, పొట్లంగట్టిన బిర్యానీకి బొట్టు బిల్ల పెట్టినట్టు. బంగ్లా మీద నిలుసోనుందిరో ఓ సందమామ, సుఖదాగక శంకర్ వచ్చెర్రో. శివందమ్మావ చిక్క లెక్క దుంకుతుంటెరో, ఆ సందమావ చుండి జారి సిక్కుతుందిరో. నాదిల్లుకు మావ రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో, రాములో రాములా నా బాణం తీసిందిరో. రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసిందిరో, రాములో రాములా నా బాణం తీసిందిరో. కొంచెం బీటు మార్చండి రా బాబా.
గోల్కొండ గోలపట్టి చార్మినార్ సిటీ గుట్టి ఎస్ఏ రాజా జనక జనక జనక. గోల్కొండ గోలపట్టి చార్మినార్ సిటీ గుట్టి ఎస్ఏ రాజా జనక జనక జనక.
Skipping girls, Divyashree from Arohita Nakshatra, Anuja from Athenian Romans. Boys from Pawan from Athenian Romans, Shiva from Nakshatras, Anuja from Athenian Ronins. Boys, Pavan from Athenian Ronins, Shiva from Arohita Nakshatras. Come fast. Chess girls, Renuka from Phoenix Genesans, Ushasri runner from Athenian Ronins. Renuka from Phoenix Genesans, Ushasri from Athenian Ronins.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, taqui. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese
Carom girls, singles winner is Supraja from Phoenix Genesans, runner is Vishnupriya from Athenian Ronins. Caroms boys, singles winner Chendulal from Theodore Genesans.
Caroms doubles. Singles winner Theodore and Chandulal, runner Minha.
Prizes for the winners of sports.
I request Narasimha sir to give the prizes for Caroms. Caroms doubles winner Supraja and Monica from Genesans, runners Ushasri and Chandralekha from Ronin. Caroms doubles boys, winners Ishwar and Sudeep, runners Praveen and
Ronins. Caroms doubles boys.
I request Narasimha sir to give the prizes. Narasimha sir.
The master of my CEO. I was broken,
Caroms
my young
winner
bitch, taking my soul
Supraja,
in.
Monica from Phoenix.
No wins for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me.
Caroms doubles winners Ishwar and Sudeep, runners are Praveen and Ravi Shankar from Arohita Nakshatra.
Through the
Ishwar and Sudeep.
the ball is violent.
Praveen and Ravi Shankar.
My time became
Praveen and Ravi Shankar.
falling like ashes to the ground. Hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ebbing and flowing and limited till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like.
winner Sweta from Phoenix Genesis. Runner is Amana from Nakshatras. Lemon and Spoon girls. Winner is Preeti. Boys Sacred. Winner is Subhash. Runner is Mina from Phoenix Genesis. Now we have prize distribution for cultural events conducted.
Now we have prizes for cultural sport dance. Sport dance first prize Divya Shri from 3rd year and first prize Svecha from 4x2.
First prize goes to Divya Shri from 3rd year and Swecha from final year
Johar
4x2.
sir to give the prizes. Johar sir.
4x2 and PG Dr. Ram Narasimhan Dev.
Let's go!
Thank you, sir. Now we have a dance performance.
Surudu, Dhirudu, Chandrudu of our college.
Mohan Nayak is gonna come for performing mass dance. Let's welcome Mohan Nayak from Phoenix Genesis.
Mohan Nayak and group from 4x2.
मैं कौन हूँ? शंकर, उस्ताद स्मार्ट शंकर।
बड़ा बिड़लक बेफिकर सड़क सड़क कड़क ऊपर स्टाइल देखो नीचे ऊपर इश 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 माटे नाम बोले तो गली हडल डबल दिमाग गुंदी इधर कर ले अपने नीचे नजर इश 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 माटे हैदराबाद शहर में पूछो बेसाले चार मीनार चादर घाट अंता ना दे गिर 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 जैसे नाचे गिर गिर स्मार्ट शंकर చూస్తావుగా ఈ కాళీ ఆడించే ఆట
రచ్చాడుకోగా రాయాలో సాంగా ఊళ్ళోకి వచ్చాడో పెద్ద పులిలాగా రచ్చాడుకోగా రాయాలో సాంగా ఊళ్ళోకి వచ్చాడో పెద్ద పులిలాగా చేయకుండా చూసే గుర్రంగా మర్యాద పోకుండా తిరిగొచ్చే వేగా గట్ట నడిచి వచ్చి గేటులని దాటుకొస్తే గిట్ట మారే మరణం ఆసు మరణం తప్పు కరుణం అతడి పేరే మనకు శరణం ఆసు మరణం తప్పు కరుణం స్టెప్పులేసే కిరణం.
It was beautiful choreography.
అందరూ కంప్లీట్ గా చేసే స్పెషల్ ఏముంటది ఇలా మధ్యలో కూడా వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. దాట్స్ కాల్డ్ స్పెషాలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఫీనిక్స్ జెరూసలేం.
కొరియోగ్రఫీ చాలా బాగుంది. ఇలాంటి కొరియోగ్రఫీ ఎప్పుడూ చూడలేదు. సూపర్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ, సూపర్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్, సూపర్ డాన్స్. Yashoda ma'am to give the prizes. I request Yashoda ma'am to give the prizes for cultural events.
Singing Sharanya from third year and Nisa Akram from third year. Paper craft, Ritika from first year, Srividya from second year. Riya from second year.
Paper craft, Ritika from first year and Srividya from final year.
Ritika from first year, Supriya from third year and Ushasri from first year. Best out of waste. Ritika first year, Supriya third year, Ushasri first year.
Mehendi, Pravalika from final year, Renuka from final year and Masiha Tabasum from third year. Pravalika, Renuka from final year and Masiha from third year.
Pictionary winners are Srividya team. Reshma, Shweta, Rupa, Swati, Pravalika, Supriya and Monica.
Pictionary. Antyakshari Shrutilaya and team. Shrutilaya from final year, Naimisha from final year, Anuja from first year, Shenviki from first year, Masiha from third year, Ramya first year, Farid first year, Saideepa first year. Antyakshari winners.
Drop the bass.
Masiha, Ramya, Farheen and Saideepa. winners Bhagyasri from Phoenix Genitals, Monica from Phoenix Genitals. Thermocol ball winners Bhagyasri and Monica. Final year. Safety pin camps, Havila from third year, Srividya from final year. Matchstick game winners, Niharika from Theodorans, Naimisha from Phoenix Genitals. Matchstick. Rubber band games, Saideepa from first year, Divija from Phoenix Genitals. I request Saideepa from first year, Divija from final year. I request Dr. Babu Rao sir to give the medals and prize. Balloon games, Sai Priya from first year, Swati from Theodorans.
Remember, all we did was care for each other. But the night was warm, we were both young. All around the windows, we would only hold on to let go. Blow kiss, fire gun, we would need someone to lean on. Blow kiss, fire gun, all we need is somebody to lean on.
Balloon games, Sai Priya from first year, Swati from Theodorans.
Someone to lean on.
Yankee game, winners Pravalika from Theodorans, Niharika from Theodorans. Ice cream kids winners, first winner Sweta from Sweta and Pravalika.
Yes, non-teaching staff. Sports winners are badminton. Ladies singles are winner Dr. Anuradha ma'am, runner is Dr. Yashoda ma'am. Doubles, winner is Dr. Yashoda ma'am and Dr. Madhavi ma'am. Runners are Dr. Rajeshwari ma'am and Dr. Vasanta Lakshmi ma'am.
Don't know a single word, but make sure you sing every verse. So let the bass drop it, you drop off TV, one talks English.
Babu Rao sir to give the prize. Prizes to Yashoda ma'am.
Yashoda ma'am, not one, not two, she's in badminton. In lecturers, sirs, doubles winner is Dr. Madhavarao sir, Dr. Chari sir, runner is Dr. Narasimha sir and Dr. Both doubles and singles badminton winner is Dr. Yashoda ma'am and Dr. Prabhakar sir. Runner is Dr. Venugopal sir and Dr. Rajeshwari ma'am. Running race winner is Dr. V. Narasimha sir. Runner is Dr. Venugopal sir. Race I call Dr. V. Narasimha sir and Dr. Venugopal sir. Caroms winners are Dr. Vasanti ma'am and Dr. Narasimha sir. Runners ఎస్ మీరందరు డాన్స్ చాలా బాగా చేశారు. వి నో దాట్ అండ్ యూ ఆల్సో నో దాట్.
కానీ ప్రైజెస్ అందరికి ఇవ్వలేం కదా.
There are secret judges just before. Judges were Dr. Sujata ma'am and Dr. Johar sir. Now prizes will be announced by Dr. Yashoda ma'am.
I request Yashoda ma'am to sing a song. Please ma'am.
Last.
Now we have a song by Yashoda ma'am.
డాన్స్ కాంపిటీషన్స్లో నేను ప్రైజెస్ అనౌన్స్ చేస్తున్నాను. డూయెట్లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్ ఫ్రమ్ గర్ల్స్ ప్రవల్లిక అండ్ స్వాతి. డూయెట్లో ప్రవల్లిక అండ్ స్వాతి ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్. I am requesting Babu Rao sir and Johan sir to give a prize to Pravalika and Swati.
I request Yashoda ma'am, Babu Rao sir and Johar sir to give the prize.
Nisha Akram and Reshma. Anuja. Consolation Ravali Raj and Shruti Laya. Next, girls solo first prize goes to Divyasri. First prize goes to Divyasri. Second prize Shushma. Second prize goes to Shushma. From boys solo, first prize goes to Krishna Sai. Krishna Sai. Second prize Minhas. Surya Vikas. From PG students, color goes to Dr. Ram. Dr. Ram.
I request Vijayalakshmi madam to come on to the dais to give prizes. Vijayalakshmi ma'am, please.
From Pitri and Dr. Swati. Dr. Gayatri and Dr. Swati. Second prize Dr. Lahari and Dr. Divya. Akila and group. First prize goes to Akila and group. Group. Second prize goes to Divya and group. కాంపిటీషన్ కాదు, పార్టిసిపేషన్కి ప్రైజెస్. డాక్టర్ కళ్యాణ్ పీజీ స్కాలర్, డాక్టర్ సింధు పీజీ స్కాలర్ ఫర్ సింగింగ్. గగన సింధు.
To make this cultural event grand successful, Dr. Yashoda ma'am support was very much.
I request Babu Rao sir to come on to the dais and Venugopal sir also. Sir, please on to the dais, please.
Thank you ma'am for being very supportive.
You have been supportive in each and every step of our event. Thank you, ma'am.
Now we will be have a memento for judges of cultural event today.
By Vijayalakshmi, ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, please. Judges of today's cultural events are Johar sir, Babu Rao sir, Dr. Yashoda ma'am, Dr. Venugopal sir. I request our Vice Principal Dr. Vijayalakshmi ma'am to give the memento to the judges of this event.
జోహార్ సార్.
I request Vijayalakshmi ma'am to give memento to our beloved Yashoda ma'am.
Yashoda ma'am, thank you ma'am for being supportive for today's event. Ma'am was very keen in the programs.
For every beginning, we have an end.
For every sentence we have full stop.
And mistakes happen. Thank you each and everyone for making this program successful. You have.
I request Dr. Akshay Tanle to give vote of thanks.
Before vote of thanks, I want to introduce our new batch to all the seniors. It is Athenian Ronins, Rulers of Wisdom. PK 1920 batch. Batch name please. Athenian. Now let us commence to vote of thanks. A delightful evening to everyone present over here. On behalf of all, we deem it a great honor and privilege to stand before you to propose the words of gratitude for being with us this evening and making us feel proud and more than above your love for us. On the recollection of many great favors and blessings, we now with a high sense of gratitude offer up our sincere thanks to Almighty, the Creator and the Preserver. We wish to thank our chief guest, Sri Maganti Gopinath Garu, MLA Jubilee Hills Constituency, guests of honor, Sri Kilari Manohar Garu, Corporator GHMC Bengaluru Nagar, Dr. Algu Varsini Garu, IAS, Director, Department of Ayush. Dr. Lingaraju Garu, Additional Director. Thank you, sir, for your kindly accepting our invitation and presiding over this 80th Annual Day Indrotsava 2020. We extend our sincere thanks to our respected Principal, Dr. Chilveru Ravinder sir, Vice Principal Dr. Vijay Ganeshwar Reddy sir, Dr. Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, Chief Coordinator Dr. Saxena sir, without whom the program is impossible. Senior Professor Dr. Surya Prakash sir, Superintendent GAH Dr. Parmeshwar Nayak sir, Head Research Department Dr. Anuradha ma'am, Lay Secretary Lakshman Garu, all the faculty members, our beloved teachers, all non-teaching staff, all the UG and PG students, especially Athenian Ronins, Insiders, Aravita Nakshatras, Theodorans, all our seniors from Valiant Damsters and all 80 years before. All your actions inspire us and you explore the possibilities and help us to reach new horizons. Good persons have a missionary zeal. We thank Almighty for them and kneel. We thank all the sponsors who made this con. Saxena sir to come on to the dais for a photograph.
Principal sir also coming.
I request Principal sir also to come on to the dais and Yashoda ma'am for photograph with pinning generals.
ఉంది ఎక్కడ పోదు పోను ఏం టెన్షన్ పడదు నేను మేడం ఉంది బయటకు పెట్టే కదా ఓకే 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 రైట్ Nice. అంతేనా ఇంకెవరన్నా వస్తారా లుకియా 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 ఇది చూడండి అందరూ అట్ట ఒకరు ఇట్ట ఒకరు ఇస్తారు రాదు ఇక్కడ వస్తారు ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒకసారి అటు ఇటు చూడకండి